So for the few seconds we are in here, this is a pie. What's in this pie? There's these little things over here. They call them the myrrh. These over here, okay? Then inside of here you have maple syrup. Inside here you have whole bran. Inside of here you have a whole banana, a real banana. And prebiotic yogurt. You can also use cottage cheese if you want. It's as simple as that. That's the way I like to eat. And it's 6 o'clock. And that's my supper for tonight. Thank you for watching. Raphael, 7286. In the constellation of Pegasus, I have uploaded a video onto Google. I'm going to try and get it off my phone onto here. I thought it was quite a good video, and it was all about number 4. Number 4 and number 5, because between number 4 and number 5, more or less in French you would say, un pied, deux pieds, trois pieds. You are in the middle of 3 asses. Are you one, or is it a piece of ass we're talking about, or is it all the peace? We want the peace of life. Raphael, 7286. Thank you for watching this video.